Okay, we are going to be doing section 6.5, solving absolute value equations. So if we have the absolute value of x equals 7, we're going to have x equals 7 and x equals negative 7. You're always going to take whatever in the absolute value and set it equal to the positive and negative of what's on the outside of the equal sign. So we're going to have x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. Same thing goes for the next one. X equals 15 and x equals negative 15. Okay, so if we have an absolute value equation where we have more than just x in the absolute value symbol, you're going to take your ax plus b, you're going to set it equal to c, and you're going to set it equal to negative c. And then you're going to have to solve it for x. So this one, x minus 3 equals 8, and x minus 3 equals negative 8. You want to solve each one. Add 3, x equals 11, and x equals negative 5. Those are both your answers. Okay, so what you have to do before you set it equal to the opposite, you have to get the absolute value symbol alone, kind of like when you're trying to isolate the variable before you divide or multiply. So we're going to add 5 to both sides first. Then we're going to divide both sides by 3. So we have the absolute value of 2x minus 9 is equal to, whoops, I'm not, sorry, not 3. This should be 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So you'll have 2x minus 7 is equal to 3, and 2x minus 7 is equal to negative 3. And then you're going to solve each one just like an equation. Add 7. Five for one of them. And the other one gives you 2. Okay, these three I'm just going to give you the answers, so you can go back and check later. This one will go through though. Equals 9 and negative 9. Whoops, not equals. So we get 16 and negative 2. So you need to subtract 4.1 first. Absolute value of x is equal to 7.4. So we have 7.4 and negative 7.4. Add 5. Divide by 4. So t plus 9 is equal to 6, and t plus 9 is equal to negative 6, t equals negative 3, and t equals negative 15. Okay, so there's also times where you're going to have no solution for your answer. And that happens because you cannot have an absolute value expression equal to a negative number. Can't have it happen. Absolute value is always positive. So if you have it equal to a negative number, you're done, no solution. So we're going to decide if it has an equation, if the equation has solutions or not. So first we have to get the absolute value symbol by itself. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. Absolute value of 3x plus 5 is equal to negative 8. So that's a no solution. Okay, this is equal to a positive number now. Let's see if that holds. We have the absolute value of m minus 5. equals negative 1. No solution. And this last one, well, it's equal to a negative number right now, but you can't just say no solution until we figure out, until we get that absolute value by itself. So when we divide by negative 3, that changes it to a positive. So it does have a solution. We have n plus 2 equals 1 and n plus 2 equals negative 1. So our solutions are negative 1 and negative 3. Okay, and that was section 6.5 on solving absolute value equations.